Sometimes we make this perfect little fan on the strip and it looks perfect and beautiful. And when we pick it up, we don't pick it up right, or we don't apply enough pressure, and all of these little feet at the bottom get all crooked and tangled. Instead of throwing it away, I'm going to show you really quickly how to fix the base and get that snatched little waist that we like on our fans. First of all, we always want to make sure we are using the sweet spot to pick up the fan, no matter what type of method that you use. I like doing the off the strip method, the rolling method. And I try to pick it up from the sweet spot, but sometimes that doesn't happen and the bottoms of the extension get twisted. So what I do is I don't throw it away. I use the edge of the ring cup to bring it back together, and this is my favorite way to fix messed up fans. So I'm going to show you one more time, a little closer up and a little bit slower. Like I said, here I'm trying to find the sweet spot, making sure that I pick it up from the sweet spot, because that's super important to making sure that all the little hairs stick together and they don't fall apart. And I'm fanning it out, and as you can see, they're really even and symmetrical, but when I pick it up, either my pressure or my placement is off, so the bottom of the extension gets super tangled. And then when I'm dipping it in, I'm using the side of the cup to kind of apply just a little bit of pressure to the bottom of the extensions. And I'm also simultaneously slightly pulsing the pressure. I'm like lessening the pressure. And when I take it out, it just brings my fan back to life, and I didn't have to waste those eyelash extensions.